Today I'm sharing how to grow spring onion from shallots at home. These are the shallots I usually buy for cooking. They are clean with no trace of new leaves sprouting out. These are the shallots I would use to plant at home. See, they have sprouted some leaves, which means they have been in storage for some time. They are usually not good for cooking, as the sprout indicate their bottom is getting dry. Oh, there is one more bulb, which is also sprouting leaves. I should plant this too. Let's get started. Put the shallot in the basin. Arrange it with the root facing down and the top part facing up. Add in water to soak half of the shallots. This is to soak the roots and prevents the leaf from getting wet. Leave it to soak for 4 hours. After 4 hours, the shallots are well soaked. Their roots have absorbed enough water as well. Discard the water. It's planting time. I have an old flower pot with some soil in it. Remove the grass and weeds and loosen the soil. Put in some organic fertilizer. I am using horse dung. It's very good for the plants. Mix the soil and fertilizer well. Take the shallots one by one. Make a small hole in the soil with index finger. Put the whole shallot in the hole, covering the roots with soil with the leaf facing upward. Slightly press the soil down to ensure the soil will hold it firmly. Continue with the rest of the shallots. Maintain a distance of 2 to 3 inches between each shallot to give them space. Alright, this pot is full, but I still have a bit more to plant. Put them in another pot, repeating the step. Loosen the soil. Add a bit of horse dung. And mix. Plant the shallots. Alright, it is done. Wet the soil with water in both pots. The shallot must be watered on a daily basis. That's all for planting. It is so simple. Let me show you the spring onion that I planted 4 to 5 days ago. They are growing so well and healthy. Off track a little, I have also planted rosemary herb in my garden, along with ginger and turmeric. After the 5th day, the spring onion have shot up around 8 to 10 inches long. All of them look really healthy, but not ready for harvesting yet, maybe in a few more days. After the 8th day, all the spring onion have grown so much taller. It's about 12 to 15 inches, ready for harvesting. If they are kept any longer, the leaf will start to break and bend down, like this one. Cut only the green leaf part for today's use. Okay, I will take this much for today. Leave the stump in the soil so that it can continue to grow more leaves for the second time. These are the stump of the spring onion I harvested a few days ago. More leaves have started to grow out, but they won't be as good as the first round. This will grow for about 2 to 3 times before dying off, or if the snail in my garden leave them alone, they should survive longer. Alright, this concludes how I grew spring onions in pots at home, just to share my personal experience. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!